She loved to dance in morning light. She worked so hard from dawn till noon, humming softly a happy tune. One fine day the flowers cried, "The rain is gone, we're feeling dry." Buzzy knew just what to do. She called her friends, a buzzing crew. They flapped their wings, they spun around, and soon the breeze brought rain to ground. The flowers smiled so fresh and bright, their colors shining in the limelight. The lesson here for you and me: kindness spreads like a busy bee. Help your friends, be sweet and true, and happiness will follow you.